Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. This is what I ate today on a high sugar diet. Did a workout around 11 a.m. and I always do my workouts fasted, so just had water throughout the morning. Then I broke my fast at 12:30. My first meal of the day was a smoothie. Now this had 3 dates. It had 3 ripe bananas, a packet of acai, about 3/4 cup of coconut water, about a half a cup of almond milk, and then I had 3 frozen bananas that I thawed in hot water for a few minutes and slipped them out of the peel. And that made just over a liter. Super delicious. Good way to get fueled to continue the day. Then my second meal was at about 3 p.m. I made a bowl of oatmeal. It had bananas, blueberries, and some maple syrup and a splash of almond milk. Then at 5 p.m. I made a salad. It had a big bowl of greens, cucumber, apple, avocado, and carrots. Then dinner was at 7 p.m. I started off with a slice of seeded Dave's bread. It had a banana, peanut butter, and honey on top, followed by a large bowl of this sweet potato Thai soup that I made. It was over a big bowl of rice with some Mary's crackers on the side. And that was it. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook. I have that in the description box below. I have some delicious recipes I make on a regular basis to stay fit and healthy. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.